Hey everybody, welcome back. So really quick, I want to talk to you about draw mode. So when designing a scene, there are many times where you'll need to draw items on the screen quickly, right? So to enter draw mode, let's drag in one of our sprites here. And what you're going to want to do is select it here on the side, and you'll see that it has this little image right underneath our mouse cursor, right? So now if we just click and drag, we can paint these on in a quick fashion. But that wasn't quite what I wanted, right? Because they were overlapping each other and it didn't look very clean. So what we can do, let's select our first image here. And I'm going to first say, we're going to say snap to grid. And then what we want to do is right click on our image and do set grid size to sprite size. So now it's set to the size of our sprite. Now go ahead and select your image here, and now we can draw across and it will be very clean. You won't have those overlapping images anymore, and that will basically be it. So that's going to be it for this one, guys, and I will see you in the next one.